Yung locong card. Kaya card. 840 ba? Senior. Oh, yun.
Hey, good morning. So for today's video, it's going to be our series, our 2-man scramble. So it's against Doy. Good morning, brother. Doy and Andrew. Si Andrew.
What's up?
So currently, the standing, ang teammate ko naman si Mikey. So si Mikey, he'll be playing the white tees. White tees pa rin si Mikey, ha? White tees pa rin si Mikey. Okay, so currently, the series is 3-2. So we're leading by 1 game. So and the winner will be treated for lunch. So hopefully, we have time later to see kung sino yung kakain. Yan ang teammate ko, Mikey. Oh, huwag mo kakalimutan sa white tee. White tee ka, ha?
Ako nga pala.
Okay. Okay, see you in the fair race. Okay, starting the series, Mr. Raimundo, King Caddy.
Nice shot. Wow.
Yung free pay. Ano ba rin panalo ng shot, bro? Thank you, thank you. Okay, second shot. We're taking Mikey's drive. Mine went to the right. So, kay Mikey kami. Safe mo lang. Kick left. Okay lang, GUR play.
Okay. Nasa Doon. Mas maganda.
Thank you.
Alright.
Doy and Andrew's second shot. They are taking Andrew's tee shot. Keep it up, keep it up. So short game naman nagkakatalo eh.
Piligan pa rin.
Ganun ba yun? Bigay mo na yung ticket ng piligan mo. Tama na.
Yan. Nice shot.
Yan, ganun. Sige pa. For our third shot, we're taking my second shot. We're still left with 120 yards to the pin. Hitting a 56 degree wedge. Four! Go!
On. Bounce.
Ganda.
Nice.
Palayo lang.
Pero okay.
Nice shot.
Kalusot.
Kanan lang.
Nagbike.
Sana lumagpas. Yan ang maganda rin.
Yan, maganda.
Maganda yan. Sana lumagpas din.
Lagpas din.
Pero ganda ng kuha. Good shot. We landed short of the green. 25 yards. Left, right. Si Doy and Drew went over naman the green. So we're both scrambling for par. 25 yards to the flag. Ganda na. Ang lakas. Ang lakas.
Kalahati lang.
Okay, Andrew. Both teams are putting for par. So hopefully we can make it. Or they need to make it kasi mas malapit kami to half the hole. Andrew for par. Lakas. Parang napitik, brother. Hina naman. Shoot mo na, Mikey. Okay, we have this putt to go one up. One over tuloy to go one up. Left inside. Left center na lang. For Mikey ha. Paakyat. Yawn. One up. One up. Good putt, brother.
Huwag ka na masyado mag-putt.
Ha? Ito na naman tayo, ganyan din tayo nagsimula nun eh. Tapos hindi na tayo
Umpisa birdie.
Tapos hindi na tayo nanalo ng 6 holes ba? Yung sinunod tayo.
Grabe yung...
Kaya hindi ako nagsasalita eh.
Minsan ko lang kayo kasama, natahimik pa ako.
Paus pa. Hole number 2. Par 4, 447 yards. Dogleg left. So Mikey and I are currently 1 up. Ganda! Wow, bati na sila. Dapat pala binenta ko na yan. Okay na yan. Fairway yan.
Ba't pala nauuna ka para nagkukutitira pa ako?
Doy and Andrew's second shot. Dogleg left. Kaya pa-draw. Ganda naman nun bago niyang 3-wood. Shoot sa tubig. Sakto.
Splash pa eh.
Pero ganda ng tama, bro. Ganda ng tama.
Last time no, tingnan niya matuhin.
Eh, tawid eh.
Yes.
Galing bunker. Buti lang, ipapatong na ni Mikey. We're taking my tee shot. We're left with 160 yards to the flag. I might hit a 155. Ito yung 9 o 8? 9 na lang. Ganda na yan, Mikey. Papatong yan. Patong yan. Aakit yan. Sabi sa inyo, ipapatong at iigil! Iigil! Oh!
Okay ba? Okay ba? Okay lang.
Ang ganda! Nice shot, Mikey!
Parang yung stawan sir doon, may kabang kasama.
Ganda ng tira. Drew and Doy second shot. Third shot pala. Bite. Penalty pa kayo, akala. Nice shot, brother. Ganda ng tirang yan, ha?
Gusto ko yung shoot.
Nice. Okay, nakabig.
Kailang. Try natin i-shoot yun.
Keep it up, keep it up.
Mali ang line.
Grabe, ang ganda ng tira ni Mikey. We have this for birdie.
Grabe.
Okay. Si Doy and Andrew need to make this for par. And we need to miss to half the way. Three clubs lang.
Dapat rin na. Ganun ko rin eh.
O, tupatuin kami.
Okay na yan. 14 na lang.
Practice na lang. O, go one. Sigurado kayo, pinapagpat nyo pa si Mr. One Pot. Kasi yung huli nating laro natin, wala yata siya na-shoot eh. yung last hole lang yung na-shoot niya.
Tapas pa kamay nun.
Yung sa likod sumut, naalala mo yun. Malaki talaga.
Sayang doy oh.
Malaki talaga.
Lagay mo konti.
Dun sa may dumi, ano? Saan yun nilagay yun? Sa may dumi, diba?
Oo. Buti na yun, buti na shoot ko. Hindi, bad trip ko na bad.
Okay, third hole, first par 3. We are currently 1 under and 2 up. So 190 yards. This has the pot money of 137,000 pesos. Sana may makuha sa group. Ganda, Doy! Kick right. Isang malaking kick right. Or sa bunker mo na lang. Ay! Sayang ah. Pag linya mo talaga dun, pag nandun yung pin talaga pang hole in one hole ni Doy dun eh. Draw lang. Sobra. Sobra. Draw kasi, no? Draw! Iba! Hindi mo na! Sayang! Doy and Drew. Second shot left with around 30 yards. May konting kabig. Yeah, parang ganyan talaga nung year end. Tigas. Di kahit yung mga minor. Nabigay ng mga putter. Bettinardi na putter. Putter ng ping. 4 G430. Ganda nung ano. Tsaka limited yung pagkain. Okay, for par. For par for Andrew and Doy. Second. Okay, we have this putt for birdie. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paces. 5 paces for birdie. 5 sa akin, Mikey. So, sa isa yun. Ganda. Malakas. Okay, bogey. So, we have this. We have 2 putts. 2 putts to go 3 up. Ganda, Mikey. Ah, hindi bumal. Mahina lang, tama yung linya. Left edge bigay nyo.
Alanganin eh. Tira ko pang-anim, pero 7 sa ano ko to. Medyo 6 kalahati.
Kulang lang sa turn na ko.
Buwa.
Uy! Okay, hole number 4. 324 yards. Dogleg left. Currently, we're 3 up.
Sorry, Doy. Dapat pala ikaw na uuna. Uy, parang kabig. Sino mag-bully, Doy? Ako o ikaw?
Sino yung safe?
Show na. Wala. Maliwa?
Ayun, lumabas. Okay. Safe. Buti na lang.
Nice shot. Ganda yan. Diga, isu. Ganda ng pwesto. Sa kayo?
Na yan. Draw. GUR naman dun. Pero sana sa stymie. Andrew and Doy, 130 yards to the flag. They need to punch out. Four! Yung sa shoulder. Yung sa Villamo. Villamo rin yun eh, di ba? Pero kasi alam ko lang siya, pero hindi ko alam kung paano i-execute. I mean, hindi ko pa siya nagagawa. Alam mo yun? Okay, second shot. We're taking my tee shot. It's 90 yards to the flag. Hitting a 60 degree. Parang sobra? Ayun, sakit. Doy and Andrew to go up and down for par.
Nice.
Layo mo pa. Good shot, brother. Hirap talaga yan. Kailangan dyan, papabaitin mo. Natawa talo yung teammate mo. Okay. Andrew and Doy for par. Mikey and Luigi for birdie. Okay. 7 paces. Tas medyo mabilis with the green. Ha? Mabilis lang sa regular. Isang butas sa kaliwa bigay niyo. Shoot mo na. Ulak. Malakas lang. Must make tatlo. They need to make this putt. Doy needs to make this putt. To keep it to half the hole. If hindi, 4 up kami. Nice putt. Okay, half. Whole half. Whole half. Nice putt, nice putt. Okay. Still 3 over. 3 up, 3 up. May mulligan pa rin. 3 up, ano. Nice putt, brother. Ganda. Ay, nagyayabang na si Mikey. Okay, hole number 5. Match is still 3 up kami. So they still have a mercy mulligan. Ay, nag-draw. Kaliwa. Over kaliwa. Over? Hindi mo sobra-sobra pero over the pin. Back ng ano. Likod ng flag.
Patong, nice shot, sir.
Ay, okay. Barely made it ah. Andrew and Doy for birdie just outside of the green. Mahina yata. Mahina. Mahina rin. Okay. Kailangan lang natin idikit, Mikey. Kailangan lang natin idikit. May mulligan pala sila. Mahina din. At least mas malapit. Come on, Mikey, 1 putt for birdie. Don't make me putt anymore. Oh, makita mo naman yung chip nila, 'di ba? Firm mo yung 12. Mahina. Ganda ng linya. Tama. Okay, Mark. And doing to putt to half the hole again. What a clutch putt! Nice putt, brother. Okay, half. 3 up pa rin. Nice putt. Clutch yun ah. Clutch.
Buti naman.
Wow, what a clutch putt by Andrew. Okay, we are still 3 up. Hole number 6. 343 yards. Nako, bukas. 4 for right. Fairway. Ganun din, kanan din.
4!
Pwede na kayo pwede nyo imuli.
Ayaw nga no.
4!
Okay lang yan, nandyan lang. Kinakapos mo yung...
Mayubo ako, sir eh.
Yun, sasabit.
Gusto ko lang. Yun.
Dami sinabita. Na we landed left of the other fairway. Mikey will be punching out dito. Ako, I'll try to go for it if okay yung punch out. Okay, that's good. Good shot, brother. Ay, malakas! Para laglag din. Malakas! Tumaliwa rin. Parang laglag, ano?
Sayang, kailangan na tuloy.
Ay, kumagat. Sarap. Okay. Nakuha ni Drew and ni Doy. Sayang hindi na videohan ni Wena yung hole out. So they made the birdie. Ha? Okay lang. Hindi naman kita pinapagalitan. Sinasabi ko lang naman hindi nakunan. Ha? Sayang lang. Okay na tayo. Talo tayo. Kuha nila yung butas. Two up. They're coming in clutch. Hole out naman yan. After two clutch two clutch putts from Drew and Doy, they hold out 6 to birdie. So we are still up. 2 up na lang kami. Oh, okay. Ayan na, umiinit na sila. Umiinit na sila. Parang short. Ayan lang. Ang ganda, Doy. Ayan, dahil hindi na videohan. Tsaka baka clutch kayo. 2 clutch putt tapos hole out. Kasi kung hindi nyo na-shoot yung 2 long putt nyo, 5 up na kami. Tapos na-shoot nyo to, so dapat 4. Ang ganda na. Sayang, hindi ko nakita. Hindi na videohan. Okay, safe. Ganda, gitna. Good shot, Mikey. Go pa. Naku, stymie.
Slightly pulled. Uy! Saan na? Ayun.
We're taking Mikey's tee shot. We just have to punch out. Kasi baka tumama sa puno. 130 yards.
Kick right.
Tagal na nga.
Yung lilaruan ko pala nga sa 120 yards for Doy and Andrew. Second shot. Kanan. Bunker. Bishop Jordan. Ang ganda. Kick right yan eh. Huwag lang sumunod sa bunker. Okay. Left of the green. Okay, you landed left of the green. We're taking Mikey's shot again. We are around 20 yards to the flag. Left to right. Mabilis. No? Tama ba? Malakas lang.
Pasok.
Good shot. Okay, Andrew and Doy also to go up and down for a par. Mas madali ito na uphill. Ganda ng touch na yun. Hole out na naman. Walang... Almost again. Okay na yan. Gap.
Break the record sana yun. Back to back.
Mahina. Mahigit isang cup pa. Uphill naman, Mikey. Pwede mo i-firm.
Oo, natin
Hindi. Pag nakuha nila to, 1 down na lang
hindi
sila.
Hindi na kailangan mag-ingat. Kailangan mo na talaga i-shoot eh.
Wag mo i-short. Uy,
Yun. Yes.
Kita ko yung break. Thank you. Okay, 2 up pa rin. Okay, with that putt, we are still 2 up. And even par yan. Short. Ay, patong. Right in front of the green. Ganda, Drew. Parang hinangin.
Yun.
Patong. Oh, over lang.
Kaliwa.
Ganda, Mikey. Hulin mo na.
Nice.
Patong na
Si Mikey. Wala na naman. Yes.
Nice one, Mikey.
Go.
Both teams are putting for birdie. Doy and Andrew, they're just outside of the green. Kami, we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bases. Wow naman! Grabe naman yun! What a clutch putt na naman! Grabe yun ah! Shout out to my friend!
What's up?
Shout out to my friend Dave! Kumusta brother? Dito GJ ba yan? Kasama sa
Sino lang? Hindi nakasunod.
Uy! Shoot din! Grabe! Okay. Must make. Pareha silang birdie. Layo ka muna. Kami, 2. Pero pag di namin ito na shoot 1. Okay, must make. Grabe naman yun. Okay. Kaya lang. Clutch na yung mga ginagawa nila. Okay. Never short, Mikey. Nothing to lose. Parang nakabig mo. Nakabig eh. Kanan ano? May kalahating grip.
Isang butas.
Sa kanan no? Wow. What a clutch putt by Drew and Doy. Grabe yan. What a clutch putt by Andrew and also Doy. So we're back to 1 up. So hole number 9, par 5. Maganda yung laban. Maganda ang laban ng game 6. Ayan na, minute na si Drew. Ganda na ng draw. Ganda na ng draw ni Drew.
Drew the draw. Draw. Yes.
Good shot, brother.
Thank you.
Pero kasi, di ba may 2 linggo ako nagpahinga? Before the ano?
Ay, Mike, saan ka nagpunta, Mike?
Kanan.
Punta ako sa kaliwa.
Kaliwa.
Very good.
Nice.
Okay lang.
We've had tee shots for both Mikey and I. So nasa kanan kami. I'll try to hit it above the trees. Mikey will play safe. Marang malakas pa. Sakto lang. Okay. Buena. Pero makuha. 4! Fourth shot. We are left with 50 yards to the flag. Ayan na sila Drew and Andrew and Doy for regulation. 50 yards, brother. Left to right. So tirang mga 35 with the wind.
Ayun yun.
Kanan lang. Ganda yan. Oh, shot Mikey. Sobrang kanan naman. Ay, kaliwa. Sobrang kaliwa. And Doy. Third shot. For regulation. Ay, short.
Ganda, brother.
Ganda. Good shot, brother.
Doy, medyo short ng konti. Kailangan natin ng uphill putt. Yun.
Ganda
Nice
rin.
shot, Doy. Yes.
Maganda rin.
Yes, dun tayo. Doy.
Wow!
Yes.
Mukhang maganda tong laban sa back, ah. Mukhang all square, ah. Mukhang all square sa back, ah.
Pero ang maganda ngayon yung lakas.
Kay pating par. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yan nga natin. Oo, mas... Tingnan mo to, side hill eh.
Oo, sa akin kung saan yung mas madali.
Side hill, tas pababa. Parang mas madali, mas mahaba yung ito. Yung akin na lang.
Kabak mo ba yung A?
7, no? Mas mahaba yung akin eh. Just left to right. Ko talaga, ang dumi po ng isip niya, oh. Green na green si ano.
Kasi may salita mo.
Sabi, pababa. Pagdating sa dulo, pababa eh.
Saka nasa ganun eh. Oh.
Huwag ka maniwala, kakalaban mo yan, huwag ka maniwala dyan.
Bali, one putt pa lang naman.
Yan! Nauna na naman ang yabang. Diba, huling nagganyan yan, ano eh. One putt nga. Tumulong nagyabang ka, nahabol tayo.
So yung dun sa next mo, hindi magyayabang ulit ako, baka mabawi.
Baka maano.
Dun sa next mo, Mikey yabang kas na.
Too much. Mikey, too confident ka.
Ako pumasok pa. Oh.
Pero okay yung line.
Hindi, kulang.
Kulang na.
Kulang sa kaliwa. Laki mo mga isang patter.
Half grip ng driver.
Half grip. Half grip. Grip ni Doy.
Anong size?
Uy! Sa dulo! Kinabahan ako doon. 2 putts to win.
Let's go, let's go.
Di na naman.
That's good, that's good.
Sobrang bagal doon. Uy!
What a comeback by Andrew and Doy. All square na ulit. Hole number 10. 160 yards. Come on, habawi kami ni Mikey. Subok. Ayaw namin magpakain. Back to all square, brother. What a comeback by Mr. Raimundo. And what a comeback. Nagsimula sa pitch in, chip in ni ano to eh, ni Drew eh. Mr. Clutch Cortez. Mike
Cortez.
Good comeback, brother. Subukan namin humabol. Habol tayo, Mikey. Sa puti. Habol tayo, brother. Puti sa puti.
Shot. Yes, sir. Keep going. Contact.
Parang right before the bunker. So ridge. Doy and Andrew chipping again for birdie. Kaso kakatakot, laging chip in itong dalawan to eh. Around 20 yards left to right. Ganda. Nice shot, Doy. Ganda rin. Pasok na naman. Grabe, muntik na naman. That's good. Good par. Ata. Hindi kay Doy yata. Game. Makeable for Mikey. One putt. Magpakita ka naman. 1, 2, 3, 4 putts. Thank you. 4 paces. Alin, saan mo siya binigay? Hindi, pakituro mo dun kung saan mo tinarget dun sa ano. Para alam ko kung naka-align si Mikey. Halos labas lang. Right inside? Okay. May konting firm ha.
May konting firm ka.
Ay, ikaw. Pero yung damo pa kaliwa. Pwede. Tama nga.
Okay lang.
Sobra ka sa kanan.
Sobra sa kanan.
Yan.
Mikey, 1 point.
Ang kulang.
Oh!
Parang isang bola, no?
Galing naman yan. What a pot.
Nice spot, nice spot.
Kasi given na sa iyo, pare.
Hindi. Joke lang. Okay, all square. Well, a good par save for both teams. Okay. Ganda yung laban. Ayaw magpakain parehas. Hole 11. 295 yards. No matter what, I might go for it.
Pag maayos, drive ko
Ay! Ganda, gitnang gitna.
Hindi na ako titira.
Ganda. Good shot, Doy.
Nakukuha na.
Kanan lang. Delix.
Left.
Delix.
Safe.
Ayun, okay. Buti na lang. Thank you, Lord. Second shot, playing 130 yards. We're taking my tee shot, little right of the fairway. Left to right. Hitting a 50-degree wedge. Makapal talaga. Hindi, makapal din talaga yung kapal. Right! Kulang pa! Tama na. Okay lang. Hindi masyadong quality. Tama. Parang hindi naman pumasok. And Andrew, around 120 yards.
Nice, boy.
Kaliwa rin, maganda. Parang short. Okay, around the green. Good shot. Ganda rin. Kaso kikick right. Pare-parehas tayo short, ano? Against ba sa taas? We're just outside of the green. Left to right. Ganda. Ay, kumagat ka agad kasi sarap tumang. Okay. Nice talaga, nice. Ay, kumagat din. We are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ito na naman po. Ito na naman si Mikey. Ay, si Andrew. Birdie na naman from the outside to go. Isa naman 1 up if they make it. Layo ng par putt namin. Masama na naman ang balak. That's good, that's good. Mas make na naman tayo, Mikey. That's good, good par. Bigla tayong 1 down na. If we don't make this. Mahina.
Inakuha nga muna ito, hindi pa.
Ano tinarget mo, please? Ganun kalaki, ha? Ilan bilang mo, Mikey?
10 sa akin.
So firm.
Sa'yo mga 8.
You need to give it a chance. 10. Uy! Uy, sobra naman. 1 down. Stop the bleeding. They're already 1 up. We're 1 down. So hole number 12. Playing 160 yards. Galing ng comeback nila.
Okay lang. Nice kuram pa yun yung 9 hole.
Natakot sa draw. Natakot sa draw. Bunker.
Right! Okay lang. Tama ba?
Nakatakot dun.
Ay! Nako. Sorry.
Medyo towy. Drew and Doy, second shot. There. In the bunker. Ganda naman. Ang ganda. Okay, medyo malayo. Good shot. Good shot, bro. Good out. Lakas lang ng konti. Shoot mo na sa tubig. Ay. Diba?
Mahina lang. Magaling
Mahina
na.
lang.
Tama na.
Natutok-tok ko pa rin, ano?
Hmm.
With teams putting for par, we need to make this to give them pressure. He was 2 down.
Regular.
Edge bigay mo. Nakabig mo eh. Or yung green. Green yung pakalawa. Kumaliwa rin yung damo yung green. Drew and Doy to go 2 up. Muntik pa lumabas. Good putt, brother. Good putt. 2 down. Nice putt. Okay, we're now 2 down. Okay, hole 13. 489. Grabe yung comeback nila. Hole 13, alam nyo na itong butas na to. Hindi ko na-explain. Kanan. 4 right. Sa may puno. May cart path. Ganda nga. Ang lupit. Ang ganda ng trajectory na yan ah.
Wow.
Ganda. GUR.
Good shot. Sa akin hindi naman slice. Hindi naman malaki doon.
Fade lang, fade.
We're taking my drive 200 plus yards pa. So we're taking our medicine. Magpa-punch out si Mikey dito.
Ano ba yan?
Tumama ba? Ha? Talaga ba? Doy and Drew left with 190 yards. They will go for it. Nag-slice over the top. Ganun din. Okay, we have a chance. Masyadong mabait ang mga kaibigan namin. Ginaya kami. Pareha silang sumut sa puno eh. Kahit punch out lang talaga. Isang maayos na punch out. Huwag ka mag-bunker. Good shot, Mikey. Okay. Titira pa ba ako? Parehas. Sige, huwag na. Parehas lang naman. Oh, wala naman na 100 yards to the flag. Aray ko naman ba na?
Masabit yung pakal. Masyado mahaba.
Left or right? Kabig. Kick right. Free relief naman yan. Doy and Drew need to punch out. Galing naman nun. Hanip. Nice out. Galing. Wala. Ito, baka pang 3 to. 23 yards to the flag. Left to right. Ganda, pasok mo na.
Pasok mo na.
Nice shot, Mikey. Okay.
Alright.
Hina. Hina pa rin yun.
Grabe.
Grabe yung bagal ah.
So, yung...
Ganun lang, May. Ganun lang, Drew.
Bola niya.
Keep it up.
Hirap ng longpok. Lompahin mo na doy.
Magubad ka raw. Mahina pa rin, oh.
Pucha, grabe.
Binigyan pa kami ng chance ni Andrew and Doy to still be 2 down. They have this spot to win the hole and be 3 up. Mr. Cortez for par.
Lakas naman.
Naku, hindi pa give yan ah. Mga umiiwas muna sa araw. Ako din eh.
Grabe.
Kaya tama. Nauna yabang.
Okay.
No doubt. Okay, we were able to salvage that hole all square. So hole number 14, 510 yards. Kailangan na namin manalo ng butas. Hindi, ganun lang. Tuloy nyo lang yan. Kanan. Kanan lang. Four! Gitnang gitna. Most accurate ah. Nice shot, brother.
Wow. Behind pa yun konti. What a drive!
Went right. Andrew's second shot. 225 yards to the flag. Nakatago sa puno. Yun yung pin.
Ganda yan, sir.
Andrew with 8 yards. Ganda eh. Perfect. Ay, pangit na nung binagsakan. Pero ang ganda.
Yes, brother.
Mukhang wala kaming pag-asa. Parang na-scoop. Kami naman 50, playing 53 yards to the flag. Left right ba yan? Right to left.
Sobra naman ka.
Ay, kaliwa.
Mike.
Okay, both teams for birdie. They have the honors. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bases. Left to right. Ang hina lang. That's good, brother. Buti na lang malakas. Kinabahan ako doon. Must make. Must make.
Ka-chance tayo, nagka-chance tayo.
Sabi ka. Kaliwa, it's basa.
Left bed, left edge. Okay. Kumaliwa ka agad.
Kumaliwa ka agad.
Malakas yung grass, ano?
Kumaliwa ka agad.
No? Kumaliwa ka agad, ano? Kumaliwa rin ka agad, no?
Oo, kumaliwa talaga.
Kulang din, no? Hole number 15, very unfortunate par. We're still 2 down. 442. Last chance, we need to win this hole para mas maganda naman ang laban. Ganda.
Okay lang yun dun. Okay lang yun dun.
Pero kami, hindi na kami nag-surfing.
Nakapag-LE pa ba?
Di pa.
Or isa ka ba?
Kanan lang din. A little right lang. Come on, Luigi, be clutch. Ito sa favor.
What a shot.
Second shot of Doy and Drew. Bunker. Good shot by Doy. Mr. Cortez going for it. Sumabit. Buti na lang sumabit. Before. Okay, 200 yards. Back pin. Hitting a 4 iron ba? Tingnan mo. O, 5 ba yun? 4. Feeling 4.
Balik.
Hard pa. 140 yards for third shot.
Okay lang, huwag ka lang kumat.
Bunker. Sa kanan ng bunker.
Par 5 pa kasi.
Kulang sa kaliwa. Ayun na. Grabe yung ginulo. Okay.
Ano,
Lost ball kami. Oh.
So ito is birdie putt?
Hindi, bogey putt.
Par 4 lang ba ito?
That's good. Must make.
Saan ang target?
Oo. We need to make this putt, this chip. Left to right. We need to make this just to keep the match. Ang bagal ah. Kunin mo na. Okay. We are now 3 down. Wala na. Dormi na kami. Very unfortunate. Galing ng habol nila. 115 yards to the flag. May chance pa tayo, brother. All square.
First time ko nakita sa iyo. Nag-open ng kala, no? Nice shot. In one. Oh, balik!
Joke lang ha, hindi ka namin paritik. Yun yung unang.
Ganda naman yan. Masaya lahat. Dalawang hole-in-one eh, no?
Oo.
Just for formality, I think they won the match already. 12 paces uphill for birdie. Grabe yung comeback nila. Sayang. Good putt. Good putt, Mikey. Thank you. Ay, thank you. Akala mo ako yung nag-putt. Good putt, Mikey. Ulang din. To win the match outright. Mahina. Okay, good match pa rin. 3-2. Ooh. Good round, brother. Good match.
Nice game. Yes, sir.
The two best words in sports. Game 7.
Game 7. Yes.
Akala mo naman titigil tayo after game 7.
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin naman. Hindi, for the year lang. For the year.
For the year, oh.
Ay, meron pa ba kayo?
Sorry, partner. Bawi. Halo Ridge.
Halo pwede. Lugi lang tayo dun kay Lugi.
Halo or sa SF.
Lugi tayo.
Or SF, pwede.
Bro, ang hirap.
Good match, brother. Game 7 tayo.
Down for
SF.
Ay,
Hindi, gawin natin ano.
Halo. Pwede rin Villamor.
Eh. Sayang, grabe yung habol nila. Ganda. Okay, hole 17. Ito na lang, sana makahulin one sa group. 180 yards. We lost 3 and 2. What a comeback by Mr. Raimundo and Mr. Cortez. Nag-choke kami ni Mikey. Bawi. Game 7.
Nice shot to yan. Halo-halo. Halo-halo. Every halo-halo.
Gusto ko ikain ka na lang ng part lang.
Oo, kaya naman dito.
Or hindi.
Member ako sa Bellevue.
Ganda naman nun. Nice out!
Nag-practice ako naman.
Bilis. Parang
Bale. Esplendida pwede.
Tal winner na tayo.
Kwarta.
wow. Nice putt.
Ako sa halo yung
Bakit?
parang patay yung halo.
Hole 18. 380 yards. Force layup pa rin. Bunker.
Pero mang hirap ituan dito, no?
Hina. 50 yards to the pin.
Ano eh, Ben?
Parang fried egg. Pero ganun nga palabasin niya yung fried egg, oh. Naka-close. Naka-ganyan talaga, oh. Match all tied at exciting to. Ang tanong, kailan natin magagawa yung game 7?
Oo nga, yun lang.
Good round, brother. Good round.
Picture tayo, picture.
Sabihin na natin. What a comeback by Andrew and Doy. Series now tied at 3-3.